If $50,000 vanished from your portfolio overnight, would you freeze, or execute a plan used by the calmest pros? In the next minutes, you will build an emotional detachment kit that stops panic selling and protects long-term gains. Strong visual hook now, frame changes every 3 seconds, bold numbers popping, rapid news flashes, so your brain locks in. This is practical, not theory, real steps you can use today. Your screen goes red, alerts stack, group chats explode, your attention narrows and mistakes multiply. Market crashes are common, but the real damage often comes from impulsive taps. We will replace knee-jerk reactions with a repeatable system. You will leave with a clear checklist, time-boxed routines, and a way to trade your fear for disciplined action. Quick note, this is education and analysis, not financial or mental health advice. I am sharing research, case studies, and what disciplined investors document in their process. You still decide your own risk, timeline, and steps. If needed, consult a licensed professional before acting on any plan you create today. Case Study 1, Amazon in the dot-com bust. The stock fell about 95% from its late, 1999 peak. $10,000 became roughly $500 on paper. Jeff Bezos kept the focus on controllable inputs, selection, speed, and customer obsession, not the daily quote. Years later, Amazon eclipsed previous highs by a massive margin. Display, minus 95% and process, price in bold, animated figures. Here is your detachment aim, make decisions from a written plan, not from a flashing screen. We build a crash detachment kit, a one-page control panel for red days. It standardizes your steps so fear does not set your rules. By the end, you will have a script you can read while the market is falling. Before we build it, I want to hear you. What was your first crash memory, and did you buy, hold, or sell? Drop your approach below, your lesson can save someone today. I read every comment, and it helps the channel reach more investors who need calm. Your story matters, post it. Case Study 2, S&P 500 in 2020. The index dropped roughly 34% in 33 days, then recovered to new highs within months. Many 401k investors on automatic contributions bought more shares as prices fell, without any extra effort. Display, minus 34% in 33 days, and new highs with a simple timeline, proving that autopilot often outperforms panic. Crash Detachment Kit, Step 1, the March 3rd, 30 Reset. 3 slow breaths, 3-minute pause with the screen face down, then a 30-second rewrite of your plan line by line. You are not chasing a feeling, you are executing a script. Display the 3 timers on screen to anchor behavior under pressure. Crash Detachment Kit, Step 2, Write if-then orders now. Example, if the index falls 5% in a day, then I do not place any discretionary trades until tomorrow 1 p.m. If my 60-40 target drifts to 48 to 52, then I rebalance with 3 equal tranches across 2 weeks. Display each rule as bold on-screen statements. Crash Detachment Kit, Step 3, Build a 1-paragraph investment policy snapshot. It states your objective, horizon, and allocation ranges in simple English. This is your anchor document on red days. Keep it short, print it, and store it next to your workstation so you can read it aloud before any action. Case Study 3, Apple during 2008 to 2009. Shares fell over 50% while headlines were relentless. Investors who stuck to a long-term, rules-based plan and continued scheduled buys later saw outsized gains as the company grew. On screen, show 50% plus in bold and a 10-year zoom out to keep perspective real when the daily tape looks severe. Here is the cliffhanger. What do you do when you feel a physical urge to smash the sell button while at work, in a meeting, or on the train? Your hands want action more than your plan wants trades. In 30 seconds, I will hand you a red button routine that adds friction before any order. Red button routine, add digital friction before any sell. Remove your broker app from the home screen, enable a passcode via screen time, and ask a trusted friend to hold the code. Set a 12-hour limit for trading apps during crash windows. Friction buys time, time lowers error rates. Next, reduce noise. Turn off push alerts for price movements. Schedule 2 specific portfolio check-ins, weekly on Wednesday after close, and the first trading day each month. Outside those windows, you do not open the app. Show a calendar overlay to hard-code the habit and remove constant triggers. Breathing room here, remind yourself why you invest. Is it retirement security, a home fund, or funding a business later? Crashes feel huge in the moment, but your real timeline is usually measured in years. Say your goal aloud, then read your one-paragraph policy before any action. Simple rebalance math you can preview today. Example, target is 60% stocks and 40% bonds, a drop pushes you to 48% stocks and 52% bonds. Move 4% now, 4% in 1 week, 4% in 2 weeks, only within your plan ranges. Display a clean bar chart showing 60-40 to 48-52 back toward target. Stand up for 10 seconds, write one sentence on a sticky note, I only act according to my written rules. Place it on your monitor. Visible rules reduce impulsive taps during red screens. Small actions compound into fewer mistakes and higher long-term odds. Here is another cliffhanger. What if the decline is persistent and headlines say, unprecedented, every morning? That word shows up a lot in history. Your plan needs capacity for long slumps without forced sales. The next scene gives you a 3-bucket structure that reduces panic and funds your runway. Use a simple 3-bucket approach. Bucket 1, cash for 6 to 12 months of essential expenses. Bucket 2, bonds or short-duration instruments for 2 to 5 years of stability. Bucket 3, diversified growth assets for long horizons. This layout keeps bills paid and prevents panic selling of long-term holdings. Find when you can sell, before the crash. For valid reasons, your written thesis changed with clear evidence, your time horizon shortened, your allocation broke its guardrails, or you are tax loss harvesting per a documented plan. Random fear is not on the list. Show the list on screen in bold. Install a 5-minute if-then rehearsal each quarter. Simulate a 10% down day, read your policy aloud, apply your if-then orders, and log pretend orders in a practice journal, no real trades. Rehearsal reduces decision time when the screen turns red. Show a timer and a filled journal entry. Your free template idea. Build a 1-page crash card. Sections, goal in 1 line, allocation ranges, if-then rules, rebalance schedule, app friction steps, check-in times, emergency contacts. Screenshot our layout on screen and recreate it in a Notes app today. Keep it printed next to your keyboard. Zoom out, Amazon recovered after a 95% collapse because the process stayed intact. Apple rewarded patient, rules-based buyers after a deep 2008 to 2009 drop. In 2020, autopilot contributions bought more shares at lower prices. Your edge is not prediction, it is behavior under pressure, documented in plain language and executed without drama. Here is your final challenge. Tonight, write your 1-paragraph policy, add 2 if-then rules, and set app friction. Then tell me below which step you finished first. If this helped, subscribe for more calm, evidence-based money videos. Share this with one friend who texts you every time a red candle appears.